Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will learn how to convert an ini file to a JSON format string and how to convert ini file to JSON file in Python with help of ConfigParser module. After completing this tutorial, I will put my GitHub repository link into description box for your reference so that you can get the source code for this tutorial anytime. I will also advise you to first watch my tutorial on ConfigParser in Python before this video. As you know that ini file is used to store configuration files. But we have one more type of file is called JSON file, which is normally used for data transfer between two applications. First, we will understand a little bit about ini file. ini file format is a simple text format for storing configuration data in a plain text file. Its each section is enclosed in square brackets and all the sections contain one or more key value pair like Python dictionary. Let me show you the ini file which I have created in this demo project. If you see, I have PyCharm editor, right? Here I have created a new project with virtual environment. We are using Python 3.13 version on this environment. In the same project, we have sources folder where I have kept this ini file. Here we have divided the information into three sections. So this is a ini file that we are going to read first and we are going to generate a JSON format string first. Okay, so JSON stands for JavaScript notation. It's a lightweight and easy to read format used to exchange and store data. It is widely used in web development and APIs because it is simple, versatile, and language independent. The JSON format is also composed of key value pairs. Here the key is always a string and the value can be any JSON type. To convert an ini file in a JSON string, we will use JSON module and the ConfigParser module in Python. And this file we are going to read and convert into JSON format string. Okay. First I will import ConfigParser, that is a built-in module in Python. Then I am going to import JSON, that is also another built-in module in Python. First we will create an empty config object dot configparser function and then we are going to read file in this file object. Open app settings.ini file. Okay, the mode will be read. We will use config dot read file and then file object we have to pass here. Then we will create a dictionary object and we are going to get all sections from this file. Okay, section object config dot sections function we will use to get all section, right? If you print it, you will get all the sections from this ini file. I have saved the program, I have run it. You will see all sections with the square brackets are listed in the output window. Okay, general user settings dot layout and user settings dot font. Then what we have to do, we have to iterate these sections, right, with help of for loop 4 and sections. This is a list object for us, item that config dot items by section. Okay, that will return us all the items from this particular section. So here you can see all options by sections, right? So there are three sections. So this loop ran three times, right? So each sections contain these options in form of a list object. Dictionary 1, we will set section as a key and then we will create another dictionary and passing these items as an option. Okay, so let's print this dictionary now, how it will look like. Dictionary 1, let me remove this statement. Okay, run the program. You will see this is a dictionary for us now. So now our next step would be to create JSON format from this dictionary object, right? So we are going to use JSON dot dumps function. What this function does, it actually takes the dictionary as an argument and return a JSON string. Okay, I'm going to pass this dictionary 1, so it will return me the JSON string. Okay, if you print it, JSON string and then close your file object, right? Run the program. You will see we have got the JSON format, right? Let me remove this statement. Okay, in the notepad, so this is what we have achieved from this program. Okay, so far we have just converted this ini file to a JSON format string. But in the next step, we will see how to convert this ini file to JSON format file. Here, JSON file object I need to create, we will use this same statement, but instead of R read mode, we have to put W for write mode. We have to just use dump function. Along with the dictionary 1, we have to pass on our JSON file and we have to close this JSON file object as well. Alright, give it a different name. So what we have done here, we have just give a new file name to this folder. Let's run the program. Program is executed successfully. If I see the physical location, then you will be able to see a new file in this folder. This is the file which we have just created with help of json.dump function. If you rearrange the content of this file, so this is a clean format of JSON file. If you match both files, JSON and ini, you will get all the sections and their options with their same value. I hope this ConfigParser module is pretty much clear to you.
That brings us to the end of the today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.